What's up guys, Shane Starnes here, and I've been covering tech on this channel for over 15 years, and usually when we talk about gaming consoles, we're talking about a box that sits under your TV, or maybe a handheld deck, but every once in a while I get my hands on something that completely reinvents the category. This may just be the gadget of the year. It looks like the puzzle game that we all grew up with from the 80s and 90s, but don't be fooled, this is actually the world's first volumetric game console. It's a fully digital 24-screen computer that you play with your hands, not just your thumbs. I'm super excited to be partnering with WOWCube for this video to show you guys exactly how this thing works, why it's STEM.org certified, and why my kids literally won't stop stealing it off my desk. Let's go ahead and get started. So first off, what are we actually looking at here? This isn't just a single device. The WOWCube is actually made of 8 separate computer modules that work together. It has 24 high-resolution screens covering the surface, and inside there are magnetic connectors that let data flow instantly between the blocks as you twist them. It's got a gyroscope, a 6-axis accelerometer, and even 8 speakers tucked away inside. They call this volumetric gaming. The idea is that the gameplay isn't just happening on a flat screen in front of you, the game is the object. You control it by physically twisting the cube or tilting it. It's incredibly tactile, and occasionally you get these moments of wow every time you turn it because the screens react instantly to what you're doing. It's a really solid device too, and it feels durable and drop safe, which is great if you've got kids like me or you're planning on taking this on the go. Now I actually have 3 kids, a 16-year-old, a 13-year-old, and a 7-year-old, and I'm always looking for ways to make screen time a little less mindless, and that's one of the biggest selling points here for me. The WOWCube is pitched as a brain gym, and I totally understand why they call it that. It comes preloaded with tons of games. You even have access to games like 2048, Cut the Rope, and Space Invaders, but because you have to manipulate the device in a 3D space to play, it engages your brain differently than a phone screen does. It actually forces you to think spatially. Like I mentioned earlier, it's STEM.org certified, because it helps build cognitive skills like memory, focus, and fine motor skills. I've noticed that when my daughter picks this up, she's not just zoning out, she's solving problems. It's screen time that ends with you feeling like you've actually learned something. It really is the toy of the year for families who want that mix of tech and education. Of course, this is a smart device, so it does connect via Bluetooth to your phone. You can use the WOWCube app to download updates and check out the App Store. My favorite game from the App Store was definitely Cut the Rope. It's not the traditional version like you may remember on the iPhone. You cut the rope to release the ball, and then you have a maze to get it to the little monster's mouth. It's a ton of fun, and it's totally unique. Right now, there are over 60 apps and games available, and they're adding more all the time. It's not just games either. There are widgets and utilities that look awesome sitting on your desk. I like the widget that features the stock market updates, the weather, and the moon phase, as well as the time. That's the one that I usually keep on my desk. And for my fellow tech enthusiasts and coders out there, this is an open platform. They have a built-in SDK and developer portal. If you've ever wanted to code a game that runs in 3D space, you can actually create your own apps for this. It's like a creative lab that fits in the palm of your hand. So whether you're an early adopting tech enthusiast looking for the next cool gadget to check out, or a parent looking for a gift that's going to challenge your kids rather than just distract them, this is definitely a must-get. It's a tribute to the legendary cube that we all grew up with, but reimagined as a living digital puzzle. It's fun, it's premium, and it's just genuinely satisfying to handle. I barely scratched the surface of what this thing is capable of. If you want to see the full specs or grab one for yourself, I'll have a link right down in the description below. Huge shout out once again to WOWCube for sponsoring this video and for creating one of the most unique devices that I've tested in a long time. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this in the future. Thanks for watching, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.